In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match color in Lightroom Classic. This is an invaluable skill for photographers who want to maintain a consistent look across their portfolio, and it can help you achieve seamless color harmony between different photos. So, let's dive in and explore this process to get the most accurate color match. First, we'll start by selecting the photo you want to use as your reference image. This is the photo that has the color look you're aiming to replicate. You can choose this in either the Library or Develop module of Lightroom Classic. Now, once you've got your reference image selected, it's time to switch to Reference View. Head over to the Develop module and navigate to View and then select Reference View, or simply press Shift and R on your keyboard. This will split your screen, positioning the reference photo on the left and the active photo, the one you're intending to adjust, on the right. With both images in view, select the target photo. This is the image you'll be modifying to match the color tones of your reference. Our first step in the editing process is to match the white balance, focusing on temperature and tint adjustments. For this, use the white balance selector, which looks like an eyedropper. Pick a neutral area in each photo. This step helps to equalize the baseline between the images, providing a uniform starting point. Once you've set the baseline, you'll want to manually fine-tune the temperature and tint sliders. Adjust them gradually until the overall feel of both images starts to align more closely. Remember, subtle adjustments can make a big difference, so take your time with this process to create that perfect balance. After establishing a solid white balance, move on to the color grading and HSL color tools. In the color grading panel, you have the ability to shift hues and saturation within the shadows, midtones, and highlights. This step allows you to further approximate the color scheme of the reference photo. Spend some time experimenting with these settings, as every photo will react differently based on its original color profile. Next, use the HSL color panel to adjust individual color ranges, such as hue, saturation, and luminance. For instance, you'll want to make sure the blues in your target photo match those in your reference photo, and the same goes for any other prominent colors like greens or reds. While working in reference view, it can be extremely helpful to use the histogram or hover over specific areas of both images to compare their RGB or lab values. These numerical comparisons can guide your adjustments, offering a more precise approach to achieving a match. Once you're satisfied with how your target photo matches the reference, you can easily copy the settings you've meticulously adjusted. Go to Settings, then Copy Settings. You can apply these to other photos using Develop and Paste settings, or you might choose to use the Sync feature when you've got multiple photos selected. This efficiency saves you from repeating the process individually for each image, and there you have it, a comprehensive approach to matching colors in Lightroom Classic. Practicing these steps will undoubtedly enhance the visual cohesion of your photographic work. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.